Good morning. Good morning, good morning. AA. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, AA. Joey is here. And Simon. Good to see you guys. Martin. Hey, everybody. Well, we're starting. And look at this. Where are we right now? Ashevs, good morning, guys. Look at this drop. We have this huge gap down there. I think it was Tesla earnings or something. I'm not sure. I'm still reading the news. It's huge gap down. I think we're down somewhere. Yeah, we gapped down a lot. Like almost 200 points after that. J-Ho, good to see you, J-Ho. How you doing? So we gapped down a lot, and I think right now the whole market, everybody who's day trading wants to get back to that gap, right? Everybody wants to go there. Everybody wants to get back to that gap. Long positions are piling up all over the place, and that is why I think this was one move to squeeze out some longs. Boom. And even now, right now the kill zone has started. We might see one more squeeze to mess everybody up a little bit more. Who knows? Anyway, everybody wants to get back to the gap. Naomi, good to see you. So everybody wants to get back to the gap. Everybody, even me. But yeah, look at this. You can call this new day opening gap, right? There's one more sell side liquidity here from the 21st, and we have a new day opening gap here as well, which I almost forgot to put out. Right here. So that's also a new day opening gap. Let's see how it goes, shall we? New day opening gap down there. I would say that we are going down for the new day opening gap. Low hanging fruit, so this is my bias, is 738 right now. Entry, if you guys wanted to go short, was here in this area. I'm actually short, by the way. I took a short before the stream. It's a risky short because I entered very late. There is a small liquidity void, nothing fancy. Could be drawing liquidity this way, down there, right there. That doesn't mean it necessarily go down there. It's a very tricky area. I'm in a drawdown, by the way, because I entered not lately, but in a late position. Not a big deal. With a tight stop. It can still go up, spike it out and, do what it wants. But new day opening gap, liquidity void, 5-minute order block, I think it is. Yes. So 5-minute bullish order block down there. So absolutely, I think we're going down there. That's my super fast analysis. Where is my... Oh, this is my trade. So as you can see, a very, very bad entry on my end. And I think I should... Okay, there you go. Take profit has been taken on this account. It was a MyFundedFutures account. So this was a scalp. Should have held it, I know, but I'm actually considering myself lucky because I almost got taken out before, but yeah. Nikos, hey there, good morning. Yeah, pay attention to the gap. But which gap? You know, 6 billion bands. Hey, I'm thinking we are going long, but to close the gap, there's a big yes, and that is why everybody is mesmerized. Everybody is mesmerized with this gap. Like, oh my god, look at this huge gap, which is true. But first, we have unfinished business, guys. New day opening gap from the 21st, down there. 5-minute bullish order block at 38. So don't forget that this is a new day opening gap too, down there. And if that's not enough, let me show you something else. Market is tricky. Everybody got hypnotized with this gap right now. There is also one more sell side liquidity at that gap, which is a swing low. Don't forget it. My gut feeling tells me that this is going to go down and take out 718. I mean, I so much feel this right now. Nothing extra, but I've seen these kind of movements, especially Nasdaq. It wants to go down, reprice it, rebalance it, and then boom. Overall, yes, I agree. This gap is gonna get filled. It's not even a question. It is gonna get filled. Absolutely, I agree. But this one could be a tricky one. Now there was a small gap. It has been repriced. Look at that. Now it's going up. So yes, it can be absolutely valid. Market structure shift on the 5-minute lower, repricing that gap down there. I think it's going to continue. So currently, in the short term, my bias is that we're going low. That's it. Of course. There's also a gap from Sunday. Yeah, this is the one, I think. Yeah, this is the gap that Naomi is saying. This is the leftover of that gap from 18 to 11. So don't get hypnotized with this one too much up there until we have a tricky part here. We don't have top wick on the daily. That's true. Alicia, good to see you. Good to see you. That is true. We don't have a top wick, and this is why we are definitely going to return. So very, very high probability that we are going to return to that gap. But first it's going to be a tricky one. It might go down and reprice the Sunday gap. That's what you have to be aware of. If price action, oh, look at that. That's it. If price action would show us something, some movement to the downside, then maybe. I'm not taking a trade right now on this one. Obviously we are in discount, and if I see this one shifting higher, I'm definitely in the longs. After seeing this previous move and repricing this small gap, I couldn't think of anything else that this Sunday gap and this order block down there. So don't forget this level. But yes, I agree. Everybody wants to go for this one up here, starting at 883. Everybody, including myself. Take longs before it's too late. I just can't jump in. But hey, 6 billion events. I wish you luck with it. I mean, I hope you make some profits, a lot of profits. I don't have my setup yet, but I hope you succeed. So good luck, good luck. I took a scalp trade here to this liquidity void. Turned out okay from this gap. Lots of good morning. Alicia, I'm doing great. How you doing? I hope you guys had some trades with profit. By the way, I got the money from Bulenox from the payout. I got the payout from the from the funded account. My first ever payout has hit my account. So usually they do it on every Wednesday, right? So here I'm a little bit in the future for US traders. So actually they did it on Tuesday, I guess, because by the morning I got up at 6 a.m. It was already in my account, the money. So Bulenox was super fast with the payout. They do the payouts every Wednesday and it was already on my account. So just saying. Jung, good morning. Jung. How much was the payout? $1,000. Only $1,000. Only $1,000. But hey, 1,000 is 1,000. So thank you, Farhad. Only. Here in my country, guys, I'm respecting that very much, because in my country the average salary is $800 for a month. $800, that's what on average people are making in my country. Unfortunately, we are a poor country. Hungary is officially the poorest country in the European Union. It's on paper, it's official data. You can check it on the internet. Officially, Hungary is the poorest country in the European Union. $800 is the monthly salary. So $1,000, guys, is absolutely respectable for anyone who makes money. So 800, yes, $800 is the average salary here in my country for 1 month. And we are the poorest country in the European Union. Officially, this is official data. We are always hungry, yes. We work 1 month. Yeah, we work for 800 for 1 month. $800. People work for 1 month. So, thank you, guys. I was actually super happy. So, I'm gonna do a video about it, but yeah, I was. Yeah, more and more traders. You know, when there's no jobs to do, the only thing we can do is trade, you know, to make a living somehow. Yeah. In 5 days away from requesting your first payout. Nice. Let's go. Let's go, Rich Goodman. Awesome, man. Awesome. Up to 4,000. That is great. Next Fridays. I would, if I were you, Rich Goodman, of course, do what you like. But if I were you, I would not trade on that account until the payout. Yeah, 50K, minus 50K too. But I was requesting it the first time I could. I was up 3,600 and boom, I hit the request button. So, of course, I'm trying to build it for the next phase too. But I just wanted to finally, after all the struggle, I blew accounts, everything. So I just wanted to see money on my account finally. I'm just going to play 3 micros next five. If I were you, I wouldn't even. If you have the minimum trading days, I wouldn't even do anything. But it's up to you, absolutely. Maybe I would start a new evaluation account or whatever. Anyways, also yesterday passed a new MyFundedFutures evaluation account. So I have a new funded account with them as well. 4 more days. Oh, you need 4 more days. Sorry. If you build your account till you get past or APS, does the trading? Yeah, it stops, Alicia. Yes, it stops. It is stopping. Yeah, absolutely. Oh wow, look at this. What do we have here, guys? I'm a little bit tempted to jump in to a short, to be honest. A little bit tempted to jump in to go short. If it reprices this level at 56, I might even jump in. I'm not sure. Okay, we're going down. Yeah, we are going down, I guess. Anyway, I'm gonna leave a limit order just to make sure. We are going down to 38. Just saying. Question is, are we gonna take it before? Yeah, we're gonna take 38 out. It's there. You go. There you go. There you go. And next level is 18. There you go. And 18, here we come. 18 level is coming, guys. I'm deleting my limit order. Next level is 718. 5 minute is barcoding. Yeah, it might be. There's a barcode here. I still believe that we are going to see 18 this morning. Don't ask me why. Actually, I missed my trade here. Could have made an easy 15 points. And I was talking too much. Thank you so much, Marco. Thank you, Marco. Good morning, Peter. Which is why you can. Yeah, I know. Okay, now I understand. Rich Goodwin. So we're going down to 718. This is absolutely what I think is the draw on liquidity. It's not financial advice, obviously, but everything tells me that we're going to see 718. The question is, are we going to go, you know, a little bit higher to this gap and then go down, or we're going to go down straight? That one, I don't know. But if we go up to reprice the 55 before we got down, I might going to jump in. But I think it's not. It doesn't seem like it wants to wait. I'm gonna put back my limit order to 56. I'm putting back a sell limit at 56 to this gap. If it goes back before that, I might want to be in the move. So that's going to be my entry. Obviously, this is a bearish breaker, not a beautiful one. So if it gets back to that area, actually, I might even gonna put it lower to 55.75 just to make sure. But it wants to go 20 points down. It wants to go. I think it might just go down now and then reprice it later. Sorry about Streamlabs, it's spamming all the links. I got the hate yesterday because of that too, but if I don't know, I just can't find the sweet spot for Streamlabs. If I enter 20 something minutes or some, I don't know, it's just not showing up. If I enter 10 minutes, it's spamming all around. If I do this timer settings. Anyway. So Tom, if you does the trading, yeah, it stops. Yeah, I answered that. Okay, all right. So I'm waiting, but I feel like this is just gonna tank down to 718. It's so obvious. Not just 718. I think it will go down to 712. Good morning, Ayonvajda. Jó reggelt, jó reggelt. Good morning, good morning. Anyway, I have a limit order. I'm gonna keep it there. If it wants to reprice. This is a 30-second chart, but it can be seen on the 1 minute too. So this is the 1 minute. Relative equal highs up there. It's I'm not saying it's not a risky entry. but actually I'm bringing it down to 55.50. Okay, 55.50. It's gonna be a little bit risky, but I'll try to go with it if it takes me in. Obviously, if I lose this one, I move to the next one. I just have a feeling that first it wants to go there, reprice this liquidity void, and then, you know, do whatever, and then should be going down. So I'm waiting for it. I am waiting for it. We do have some news this morning. We're gonna have manufacturing PMI numbers all morning, and yeah, new home sales, also PMI numbers after 9 a.m. So yeah, we do have some numbers. So I'm waiting for that level to get filled, because this is a bearish breaker, not a perfect one by far, but I take it in a London session, you know. It's by far not a bearish, a perfect bearish breaker, but I take it. Okay, should be getting back to that 55 area. If you want to scalp for 5 or 6 points, you can do it now, but be careful. It's gonna take the 55.50. It's like, I'm so sure about that. Good morning, Gerald. Good to see you there. So yesterday I played against some PUBG. Just saying. I don't know what got into me. Anyway, I might going to do a separate playlist for you know, only PUBG streams. But it's gonna be after market hours, you know. All right, almost taking it. Don't forget that the take profit trader, no activation fee is gonna be over this Sunday. If you want to join take profit trader, take the discount, and your evaluation account is not gonna have activation fee until you pass it. So just saying. I'm not sure how much is going to be the new activation fee and the new price for the account, but they're ending the current sale on Sunday. All right, almost taking it now. And I'm still not filled on this one. All right, now I'm filled. Now Now things getting a little bit scary for me, actually. I might have to watch this closely. All right. I'm gonna be watching this real close. If it starts to go crazy, then obviously I'm just gonna kill the trade, and that's it. I'm trading aggressively on this evaluation account, so that's it. How much to activate here with Apex? The monthly, you can choose between monthly fee and lifetime. For example, a 50K account monthly fee is $85. Lifetime activation fee is $140. But currently there is a sale going on still. If you want to go with a bigger account, bigger than 150K, 150, 250, 300, then you can, and if you pass it until the middle of August, you can have a lifetime activation fee of $85. And guess what? You can have 150K and higher for 40 bucks. 40 bucks. So guys, if you want to go big accounts, $40 lifetime for the account until you don't pass it per month, $40 per month. You can have a big size account. Just saying. The sale is still going on. The best code is tomsabo, obviously. Obviously. And you can get it. Yeah. Took a buy. You took a buy. Until we're not finished down there, I just can't I can't take a buy there. I'm pretty much convinced that we're gonna take out the new day opening gap from Sunday. It's Apex, Jacqueline. For $40 you can get 150K or a 250K or a 300K account. It's there in the chat. You can see Streamlabs is spamming. Guys, I know everybody hates Streamlabs for spamming these advertisements, but look at that. Just Apex Trader, $40 for 150, 250, 300K accounts, and lifetime activation fee $85. If you pass the account, I think it's August 15. If you don't pass the account until August 15, it's still fine. You can choose the monthly $85 activation fee. You're welcome. You're welcome. So the sale is still going. I'm in a sell. Yes, I'm in a sell position right now. I'm looking for the Sunday new day opening gap right now. This is gonna go back to 51 now to reprice, obviously. So yes. So the best code is tomsabo for everywhere. Bulenox 90% sale still going on until the end of the month. Take Profit Trader, check it out. It's gonna end. The no activation fee discount is gonna end on Sunday. Check that out too if you can. Apex still does the $40 sale for the big accounts, and MyFundedFutures is obviously the cheapest, including activation fee, $76 with the discount code, including activation fee. So end of day drawdown, very good payout policy and everything. Just saying. All right, that was the commercial. So waiting for this to go to the Sunday. This is not even new day. This is new week opening gap down there. Not even new day. That's new day opening gap. I know everybody's focusing on the gap. It might happen. I might be absolutely wrong here. Everybody's looking at this right now. Everybody. Everybody wants to get, which we're gonna get there 100%. But first we have some job to do. I think we have some job to do down here. You're welcome. So yeah, I think this could also be a place where I can put this to break even. 55, 25. All right, I'm putting this to break even.